Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be making jelly cube slime. So in a container, and my container was very oversized, you can add some clear glue, and I'm using Elmer's clear glue. And then you can add some water, but that's optional, but it helps your slime clear up faster. And just like adding a little bit more water, like a little bit of water to make it thinner, I guess. And I'm sorry because my spoon is also oversized. And now I'm adding some yellow food coloring, and I'm mixing on the other end of the spoon, which was a little bit better. And now you can activate it, and I'm using borax and water, and I'm just activating a little bit at a time. And then I activate it and kept kneading it and kneading it. And there it is, and I'm kneading it a little bit more. And when you have jelly cube slime, you really want it to be like a little sticky. So I added a little bit of hair gel. And if you're wondering, that's basically like clear lotion for slime, for clear slimes. So I just added some of that, and it made it more sticky and stretchy. Because you want it sticky so that the cubes can stay in the slime. And then I'm kneading it more and more, and just playing with it. And now you can get our magic erasers, which are the jelly cubes. I just took them out. So now I'm going to cut the jelly cubes, and if you're under the age of 12, ask a parent or like an adult to help you, and don't forget to always cut away from yourself. So like cut the opposite direction so that you don't hurt yourself. And also I have another clear slime, and it's yellow clear slime, and I'm just going to use that and add jelly cubes in. And then I'm going to show you the slime we made before, the one that's still cloudy, and add jelly cubes in. So this is a clear slime that I had on hand. It's a yellow one. And I'm gonna add some jelly cubes, the ones that I cut out. And I'm adding some hair gel because it really, it wasn't sticky. So now I'm just adding some of the jelly cubes in the slime, and you want like around a 1-to-1 ratio of the jelly cubes to the slime, so around an equal amount of both, and that's like the most I would put less even than that, because you don't want too many jelly cubes, because then it would just like fall apart, or like it wouldn't be nice. So I'm just mixing that in, and I like it better when it's clear because it's already clear and you don't have to wait for it, and it looks so cool when it's clear. So I'm just doing some ASMR. Okay, so I have more jelly cubes, so we can add it to the other slime that we made in the beginning. The one that's like not clear. The one that's still like cloudy. And I'm just adding that in. I'm just mixing that in. And right now it's not going to like break because the slime has to soak into the jelly cubes for it to like make more noises and to crush apart, because right now it's still like a sponge, so it has to soak in. And now I'm doing a slime smoothie of the two. And I think it looks really cool. And I added some glitter. And there's a lot of glitter that is on the table because I spilled some of the glitter, so sorry if that's annoying you. So I'm having some fun with some cutting ASMR, I guess. And I think this kind of looks like pina colada because one of the jelly cubes is white and the other one looks like a pineapple. Because like pina colada is pineapple and coconut. And I wish I had a pina colada scent because I could name it that. But the gold glitters wouldn't really make sense. And I hope you have a good day, guys. Bye!